Hello! Magandang umaga, tanghali, hapon, or gabi po sa ating mga water signs, Cancer, Pisces, and Scorpio. Mga madam and sir, I hope nasa mabuti po kayong lahat. Ano bang nangyari sa akin? I hope na nasa mabuti po kayong kalagayan today. Ayan, so, mga madam and sir, bago ko magsisimula, gusto ko lang sabihin na lahat ng mga readings na to ay general reading. Hindi po ito magre-resonate sa lahat po ng mga nanonood ngayon. So, just take what resonates in your situation and leave out the rest. Okay? So, this is about your kapalaran, no? Tignan natin kung ano ang mga nangyayari, anong mangyayari ngayon at sa mga susunod na araw. Okay, time is fluid and energy is fluid too. Okay, time and energy is fluid. So, ayan, laging tandaan na ito ay posibleng mangyayari pa sa susunod na mga araw. Okay, for our water signs, Cancer, Pisces, and Scorpio. Okay, you have the Three of Coins. Ayan. There could be some collaboration, common goals. So, ayan, let's see. Okay, Three of Coins. You have the Ace of Cups, the Judgment. You have the Six of Swords. You have the Three of Cups, Ten of Swords, the Strength card, and the Ace of Wands. Okay. Your main energy for this reading, you have the Nine of Wands. Iba sa inyo nagkakasakit or magkakasakit, so mag-ingat. Okay, mag-ingat, water signs. Iba yung liwanag kanina, no? Iba yung ngayon liwanag. Okay. Ayan, so mag-ingat, huwag magpaka-stress para hindi magkasakit. Itong araw na to, simula na sa araw na to sa mga susunod na araw. For 1 week maybe. Okay? So, baka mamaya lalagnitin kayo, tatrangkasuhin, wag naman sana. Okay? So, mag-ingat and wag magpuyat lagi. Cancer, Pisces, and Scorpio. Ayan. Saan ko ba ilalagay ito? Okay. With the Three of Pentacles and the Three of Cups, a lot of you, Scorpio, you are involved in a third party. Tama ba? Okay, right now you are stressed, or there could be an ending with, some of you are felt betrayed by some friends. Watch out, because some people whom you regarded as friends is going to betray you. Okay? Ayan. Or you may be doing this. It's either you're going to betray a friend, you're going to backfighting, sinisiraan. It's either ikaw ang sinisiraan or ikaw ang naninira. Okay, I'm just reading the energy and I'm just reading the cards. This could be your energy or the energy of the people that around you, Cancer, Pisces, or Scorpio. It's either ikaw ang sinisiraan ng mga kaibigan mo behind your back, pinag-uusapan ka, chinichismis ka, sinisiraan ka, patalikod, tinatraidor ka, or ikaw ang gumagawa nito, yung iba sa inyo. Okay? Ayan. So, watch out, because it might come back to you double. Parang ganun. Iba talagang liwanag. Oh my God. Di madilim na siya. Wala nang, fluorescent na to. Fluorescent, and then Archangels, thank you so much for being here. Light beings, divine white light, thank you. Three of Coins and Ace of Cups. It looks like there's a new relationship coming in for you that will bring you a lot of joy, but watch out, because this person might going to put you in a third party, or they already have. Okay, but I see you have common goals with this person. Okay, pa. Ang dami mong na-realize lately, Cancer, Pisces, Scorpio, regarding your relationship. And I see you overcoming lahat ng mga problema mo. Talagang It's either wala kang control sa sarili mo, and you're looking for some courage to walk away, to leave someone behind, or pinag-iisipan mo yan. Are you having some sort of, you're trying to weigh your options? Tama ba? Cancer, Pisces, Scorpio. It's like, pinag-iisipan mo kung aalis ka ba or hindi. If you want to try something else, something new in your life, you're thinking of leaving someone behind. Parang pinag-iisipan mo kung iiwan mo ba itong tao na to or mag-stay ka pa rin. Okay? Parang nag-evaluate ka. I think yung iba sa inyo is nag-aantay na humingi na siya ng sorry. Okay? You're so brave and courageous for being with this person who treated you badly, who misjudged you, who walang binibigay kundi puro stress, kumbaga. Kasi stress na stress ka with this 9 of Wands eh. Parang you're almost like you're ready to give up. Parang konting-konti na lang, bibitaw ka na. Parang naubos na ang pasensya. Yung iba parang naubos na ang pasensya. Malapit na talaga akong gustong umalis. Ayoko na dito. And you know what? We have the 6 of Swords and the Ace of Wands. It looks like for some of you, water signs, Cancer, Pisces, and Scorpio, iba na naman ang liwanag. It's either you're trying to forget someone in the past na iniisip mo pa rin ngayon hanggang ngayon, or you're heading towards, you're trying to move on, you're moving on, you're healing, you're completely healing, and you are focused on your goals with the Ace of Wands. There is something that is coming for you, and nararamdaman nyo yan, Cancer, Pisces, Scorpio. You're excited about this new beginning. Excited ka sa parating na bagong landas na tatahakin mo, parang ganon, new chapter in your life, and there's this new direction that is opening up for you. There is a new chapter, there's a new direction, a new path that is opening up for you, and I think you're ready to take on this journey. Yeah, with this Ace of Wands, because you have the Strength card, you're already to step into a new life that you wanted so much, because from the beginning of this early on, parang earlier or recently, parang ang dilim-dilim ng mundo ninyo, no? You're looking for that sun to come up, to sunshine. You're looking for a brighter tomorrow. You're looking for happiness. You're looking for joy. You're looking for peace of mind. You're looking for something that would fulfill you, kumbaga. Tama ba? You're trying to forget. You're leaving behind. I really see you leaving behind. But yun nga, yung iba sa inyo parang pinag-iisipan pa, tinitimbang ninyo with this judgment. You're trying to evaluate, kumbaga. Or you are in the process right now of evaluating your decision. Tama ba? But I really do see. Let's see if what the advice is for you. Okay? Cancer, Pisces, and Scorpio. See what's the advice or message from your spirit guides and guardian angels regarding your situation. You have a new career. There's a new career path for you. Ayan, kaya naman pala. Your work focus is shifting in a positive, new, and successful direction. See? I really do see. With the Ace of Wands, you are heading towards a new chapter in life that is full of success, full of prosperity and abundance with this green card, yellow. Okay? Have confidence that you will achieve this. Claim this energy if I were you. Okay? You're almost there. Don't give up. Don't give up on your ideas. Don't give up on your dreams. Don't give up on yourself. most especially sa ating sarili, wag tayong mawala ng pag-asa. Okay? Wag nating i-give up. If a lot of people giving up on you, wag kang mag-give up sa sarili mo. Okay? Mga taong nag-give up sa sarili, sila yung nagpapakamatay. No. Mga taong nag-give up na sa sarili, sila yung mga depressed, may thinking, suicidal thoughts. Kasi sarili nila nag-give up na eh. Diba? O kung ang mga tao, alam mo guys, lahat sa pamilya ko, nag-give up na sa akin. Including my father. Including all of the people that, kaya na-depressed ako before, very long term. Kasi, lahat ng tao sa paligid ko, iba na ang tingin nila sa akin. Parang wala nang pag-asa. So, I can see through their eyes. I can see through them na yun na nga, nagre-reflect sa akin because I'm an empath. I can feel their energy. I can feel 1111. I saw 1111. Claim this. Type 1111. Manifestation. Oh my God. Start manifesting right now. I'm going to manifest something. Oh my God. Please give me a moment, guys. I saw this in a on my camera. 1111. Oh God, thank you. Manifestation is coming through. Manifestation, money is coming in, abundance coming in, health is coming in, wealth, mind, everything. Oh my God. Highest purpose, my highest self. Highest to the highest. Oh my God, I can feel the energy. 1111. Manifestation is coming through for all of you guys. Water signs, including me, of course. Kasi ako nakakita sa camera. Wow. See? New career. Maybe you are shifting. But anyways, what I'm talking about earlier, going back, no? A lot of people have given up on me, including my family. Ang hindi lang nag-give up sa akin, I think, is yung mother ko. Yeah, yung mother ko. So, malaki talaga ang ko sa mother ko. Nagkaroon ng parang bumalik yung pagmamahal ko. O mas lalo ko siyang minahal, na pamahal sa akin. Long story kung bakit But anyway, personal story yan. What I'm saying is, wag kang mag-give up sa sarili mo. The most important person on earth. Tandaan mo to. Okay, pakinggan mo, water signs. The most important person on earth is you. You. Lagi mong sabihin yan. Tatak mo yan. Isulat mo. The most important person here on earth is me. You. Ikaw. So don't give up on yourself. If people have given up on you, don't believe in you, then let them. The most important thing is you believe in yourself. You believe in yourself, in your own capabilities, and you don't give up on yourself. Tandaan niyo yan. You feel my energy, you felt my energy, then do it. Believe in yourself because I have been through a lot and you don't know what I've been through just to get where I am today. But anyway, so ayan po. I think you're heading towards a career that is really meant for you, okay? So take this opportunity, whatever ideas you have, okay, kung ano yung gusto mong simulan, Cancer, Pisces, Scorpio, do it. Okay? Don't stop. Don't stop. Believe. May kantang ganun eh. Something like that. But anyway, so, bago ako magtatapos, water signs, Cancer, Pisces, Scorpio, gusto ko lang sabihin, may mga binibenta akong items sa gustong interesado. Ayan. Sa may mga negosyo dyan, business, gusto nyo maging successful yung mga business nyo, small man yan or malaki, maybe you need this power. Ay, iba talaga ang ano niya, no? Nakita nyo, napapansin nyo, iba ang aura, ang liwanag niya kanina. Sobrang liwanag na hindi mo maintindihan, tapos ngayon, iba naman ang light na nagre-reflect. Diba nakita nyo? But anyways, business success spell jar for only 290. Pa-screenshot ako. And then message me on Facebook page, Bonum Magus. Okay? Ma'am, pabili ako business success spell jar. Gusto ko maging successful ang business ko. Matumal ba ang benta? Then you need this. Okay? Ayan. Relationship repair spell jar. Okay? Gusto nyo magkaayos ang relationship ninyo. Father, pamilya, loved ones, okay, romantic Kahit anong relationship yan, friendship, or ano, boyfriend mo, asawa mo, kailangan ma-repair ang relationship ninyo, you need this. Okay? 290 pesos only. Ayan. Naghanap ng AFAM, naghanap ng love life. Sino dyan? Oh, you need this. Love and Attraction spell jar for only 290. So, naghanap ng hustisya. I've already made mine. Sample lang to eh. Sample lang yan ha. Okay. 270 pesos naman to. Justice spell jar. Okay. Nilagyan ko lang ng intention dyan at name nung taong ano. Kailangan, hinihingin ko ng hustisya, mga malaman sir. Okay. Ayan. Okay. Basta may instructions lahat to, mga spell jars na to. Okay. And what else? Sa mga nanghanap ng panangga sa kulam, protection, healing, and protection na kasama na to, okay? 2-in-1 na siya, mga madam. So, naghanap dyan. Okay, pa-message ako. Take a screenshot. Ma'am, gustong pabili ng panangga sa kulam. Ma'am, nakulam yung kapatid ko, mama ko, ako nakulam. Okay, kailangan nyo to. This 1,000 pesos, 2-in-1 na siya. Lifetime protection. Walang expiration ng mga items ko. Pwede nyong ipamana sa mga anak nyo pag nawala na kayo, pumanaw na kayo. O, pwede ninyong ipamana sa mga apo nyo, anak ninyo. Ayan. Okay, ito. Ito pa, best seller. Red. All-in-one powerful red bracelet. Okay? 700 pesos only. Lifetime protection for only 700 pesos. Saan ka pa? O, saan pa kayo, mga madam? O, ang daming feedback dyan, ha? Makikita niyo mga feedbacks dito sa Facebook page namin, Bonum Magos. Okay? Nag-iisa lang Bonum Magos sa Earth. Ako lang. Ayan, 700 pesos. May sumpa ba ang iyong angkan? Then you need this. Ancestral healing, ancestral curse healing necklace. 1,900 pesos only. Okay, 1,900 pesos only. Ayan. May mga ano din to, feedback. Okay, so I think that's all. Meron pa ba? Ayan. By the way guys, Cancer, Pisces, Scorpio, follow nyo ako sa Instagram ngayon na, kasi bukas papahula ako, libre. So, gusto magpahula dyan ng libre, follow nyo ako sa Instagram, Bono Magos. So, ayan. Guys, maraming salamat. Water signs, Cancer, Pisces, Scorpio. Let me know in the comments if this reading resonates with you. I'll see you next time po, bukas. Maraming salamat. God bless, more power, and paalam!